No, 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 no.
Stop.
No.
Why are you scared?
No. Ah! What the heck? Number 2. Number 3. Whoa.
Okay, we need room 307. Okay?
Number 7.
307.
307.
This way. Do you see it?
Right there.
Okay, go knock on the door.
Oh, you.
Knock on the door.
No,
Knock on the door.
no, no.
Knock on the door.
No,
Well, then I guess we'll just stay out here in the hallway.
no,
Knock on the door.
you.
Knock on it.
You.
Oh, you're so weird.
Told you.
Here, go over by the door.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Yay.
You didn't want to knock on the door, did you?
He was all scared.
What'd you think you were doing?
I don't know.
No, you were like, I don't want to knock on the door. I'm not knocking on the door. You knock on it. I'm sitting right here. I'm like, should I just open it or should I wait? You're big.
Hi.
Hi.
You didn't know we were here, did you?
I had no idea, huh?
I was thinking that you would be here.
You were? You just didn't know for sure, huh?
You were kind of hoping, huh?
Yeah, you know how hard it was for me not to say anything?
Heart.
Yeah. Yeah.